there are three factors that I look at. Fundamentally, number one is, for me, really the tokenomics of the Layer 1 blockchain project. So it really means from the reward system to the burning mechanism and the token supply. All of this affects the factors of the volatility and the perceived value of the token. Number two would be the transaction efficiency. So as I mentioned, there is a zero gas fee, but also I just want to add how fast the transaction is and how efficient it is. Is it sustainable or is it for long term like that? So number two, that is the transaction efficiency overall. And number three is definitely the network security. It is definitely important in a Layer 1 blockchain to be able to earn the trust and confidence of the investors. Technical perspective, I would trade that particular token that will be released based on the number one, volatility, number two, the liquidity, and lastly, the market sentiment for that particular Layer 1 blockchain. Because if it is fundamentally driven, if it is good, it really depends on the investor's sentiment and traders' perceived value of the token. So I will evaluate those projects based on their competitors as well. So as a junior analyst, I just want to add also the perspective of an analyst to be able not just only to study and analyze that particular Layer 1 blockchain, but also study the vision competitive to their competitors, and also what is the intrinsic value or the perceived value of the traders and investors in Bitcoin. So that will earn the trust and confidence of the investors and traders in Bitcoin. So that is their competitive edge.